Welcome to a channeling activation of the Egyptian deity Mahat. Let's begin. Bring your attention to your heart. Visualize the green torus field pulsating in front. Beautiful fractals of coherence. Feel 1 inch in front of your heart center, an energical heartbeat. Everything is restructuring in your chest. All the cells in your physical heart, your lungs, are boiling faster. Bring this coherence in the back of the heart, in your arms, your hands, your fingers. Bring all your energy down into the heart. Where attention goes, energy goes. Take a nice big breath into your heart. We call in for protection and support from our spirit guides. We ground ourselves in the root and the chakra under our feet. And we call in Mahat. This massive consciousness is representing itself as a feminine being. Wearing a feather on the left side of our crown. Holding the Ankh on our left hand. And the Wazpek pillar staff on her right hand. She's bowing to you, left knee on the floor. We're bowing to her. And she's bringing you in her temple, where we're facing the Egyptian balance of life. We're pulling out our etheric physical heart and putting it on the balance against the feather. Realizing that our heart is heavier than the feather. We are retaking our etheric heart, putting it back. Mahat just wanted to show us how there's more work to be done to lighten our heart. She's putting 2 hands on our heart chakra, sending us pink unconditional love, activating our whole system, activating our thymus gland, higher heart. Bring it in the back of your heart. Open your angelic wings on your shoulder blades. Two hands in prayer position in front of your heart. She's bowing to you in your service here on earth. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Please comment below. What was your experience? And let's continue this beautiful 7-day challenge on connecting with Egyptian deities. I'm sending love.